What's up, traders? This is Vee Trades, and today we'll be doing a technical analysis breakdown for Alibaba Group Holdings with the ticker symbol BABA. I will first be going over what I see in the daily chart and finish the video off with the weekly chart. This video is for entertainment purposes only. Please trade at your own risk. So here we have Baba. I look at Baba practically every Friday, same as Neo, so they go hand in hand. We got the top Chinese e-commerce company, one of the top Chinese electric car manufacturing companies on this channel. So let's take a look at the daily chart for Baba first. Since last week Friday, price closed at the 114.63 level, and you see that price traded up higher on Monday up until the 117 level, almost 118, and then sold off. It broke this upper trend line right over here. So this upper trend line is invalidated, but that doesn't mean the momentum to the upside is completely over. Market was due for a correction. It's not going to move up in a straight line forever. Eventually, it's going to pull back. So we just saw one large drop. There's a good chance for a second large drop in the future, something like that. It's very rare for the market just to drop and then reverse. Sometimes it will make a simple correction, like what we're seeing right now, and maybe we'll get a rally. But most of the time, you'll see some sort of complex correction in the form of two legs, something like that, and then a rally higher. Either way, this is still bullish. This is a very large move up. It's not looking like the market is reversing. It looks like it's just correcting, possibly back to that 102 level. That was this double top right over here that price was able to break through. So it could come back to test that level for support. So it just could come back a little bit lower towards that 102 level. So don't be surprised. See a little bit more downside for Baba. That is expected. But what's not expected is for price to continue to trend down lower a large amount. That would be not as bullish as it seems. But as right now, there is still a bullish target in play. The 120 level and then the 130 level. That's what the measurement target is at. So the bulls still have an incentive to drive up the price. All I'm saying is that market's not going to go up in a straight line. It's not going to take a couple of days to get there. It might take a couple of weeks. So either we see the rally take place from where we are right now, which is less likely, or we see another drop down, which is more likely, and then a rally higher. So that's the expectation for Baba. Overall, still bullish, still looking pretty good. Don't really see anything out of the ordinary. Don't see anything alarming for the bulls. I'm still expecting higher prices in the future. So all I have for Baba on the daily chart. Earnings report looks to be sometime mid next month. So quite a bit of ways for that. Take a look at the weekly chart. This week was bearish. As expected, definitely overextended from the EMA. Market is due for a correction. And again, I don't think this is over. I think we're going to still see more upside potential for Baba. I'm just expecting probably a good sized drop, probably to the lower 100 level, probably the 102, probably the 100 level, and then continuation to the upside. It'd be really bullish if Baba can push through that 121 level because it was a prior very strong resistance level. So if you can push through that level, maintain support on the opposite end, that looks a very bullish long term. So Baba's still hanging in there, still bullish, still expecting higher prices, and we'll go from there. That's all I have for Baba this week, Friday, and most likely I'll give you guys an update next week, Friday. This is Vee Trades, and thank you for your time.